Bonjour, ami, bienvenue, Pastel Passion, Yushvi, Tejinder Ladi Singh. So, what are we going to cook today? Yeah, we are going to make color play portrait tate tata. The ingredients:
Finally, a mug of beer. Oh, actually, just a mug will do.
Did I forget something?
लो जी, कढ़ाई तैयार है, तेल गरम है. I mean, the drawing is ready. इसमें हम थोड़ा सा skin color set देते हैं. The skin color that I've used is rose ochre and luminous yellow. The blend of the two of them will give me the right tone, the exact tone I need. Neither too pinkish nor too pale yellow. You can use your fingers or a cotton rag to blend the colors. Cotton bud is basically used to blend colors in some smaller areas. If the quality of colors, the oil pastel is good, they are creamy and oily, then it doesn't take much effort to actually blend the colors. Nicely and smoothly done with your fingers. This is the process of marking the features on the face. The shade that I am using for this purpose is red brown. The colors that I am using here have a high pigment load, buttery, smooth consistency and high opacity. So if you need to have a transparent wash, only a light touch will be required and you'll see that these oil soluble pastels work perfectly. Features need to be marked clearly so that they don't get lost when we go for rigorous coloring. डिश को आप धीमी आंच पे पकाएं, सिम पे पकाएं, प्यार से पकाएं, तो देखिए फिर कितनी बढ़िया बनती है, स्वादिष्ट बनती है, पौष्टिक. पूरी मोहब्बत से पकाना है. You can see now that the features are clearly marked in their right place. As you can see, I'm using a brush to make the eyeballs, and even for the finishing of eyes later on, I'll be using the brush. I avoid using pencils for finishing purposes. I used to do that earlier, but then I found out that the two of them don't gel well together. Oil pastels have a very matte finish, matte look, while pencils give a glossy look. You can use a pencil to spread the oil pastels. For that purpose you can, but avoid using pencil for finishing on the whole. Any good quality oil pastels, you'll find relatively easier to use them with a brush, almost as if you are using the oil colors. I'm not using the black as yet, not unless and until I'm sure about each and every feature to be in the right place, in the right proportion. I'll not be going for the full finishing of any of the features at this stage. We just need to make out and take out the features, all of them, so that from a perspective you can see and confirm the balance, and then later on go for the detailing. If you need to make any changes, corrections, I can do it before the full finishing is done. Now this, my friends, is going to be a very crucial stage. You need to make sure you do not tickle his nose too much, because if you do, and if he sneezes, and if you are not wearing a mask, God help you. That tickles. इसको फास्ट फॉरवर्ड कर दो भाई. Time to make a man out of him. There goes the moustache and the beard. देखो डिश की खुशबू आनी शुरू हो गई है, थोड़ी थोड़ी डिश पकनी शुरू हो गई है, रंग चढ़ने लगा है। मुंडा कुछ वेख्या वेख्या सा लग रहा है। Well, actually you can add this white topping at the end of the painting, but it's okay so long as it gives you the pleasure. And now it's time to tie Sardar Ji's pagdi. The dish is almost ready. You can garnish it with some bright colors. अब भाई जी लड़ साफ कर दो थोड़ा जा। हाँ ऐसा ही ठीक है, और थोड़ा तो कर दो। Here comes my favorite part, freehand, free mind process. No foundations, no limits. Do whatever you like. Enjoy, have fun. Go with the flow, no logics, no calculation. Simply you and your instinct. क्या बात है, टौर बन गई जनाब दी।
Please do let me know how you found this French ingredient Indian dish. If you liked it, please do subscribe to this channel to keep getting more of such recipes, and please don't forget to share. Mercy, Abhiyanto, stay healthy, stay safe.